Hello guys, so today I want to show you guys this apple cake, which is a recipe I got from my friend Stuart from the UK. Shout out for him. And I think it's the best way to distract yourself and have something really sweet and nice to eat in this quarantine. So yeah, sorry if you hear any noise. It's because I have the window open because it's really hot and I want some air. And there's some noises in the kitchen, but I think so. So the ingredients are 150 grams of butter, 2 eggs, 5 milligrams of vanilla, which the original recipe says almond essence, but there isn't any in Argentina, so I don't know. 3 teaspoons of baking powder and 2 apples, but I realized I don't have an apple, like another one. So I'm using 1 peach because quarantine.